Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove Chevy Cruze headlights. First, let's prepare by gathering our tools. You'll need a trim tool, a flat blade screwdriver, and sockets in 7mm, 10mm, and T20 sizes. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the engine is off. For added safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal using a 10mm wrench before starting any work. Now, let's tackle the front bumper. Begin by removing the 4 10mm bolts and any push pins located along the top of the bumper cover. A trim tool will help you gently pry up the center of each push pin before removing it completely. Next, move underneath the vehicle and remove all T20 Torx screws securing the bottom of the bumper. There are typically 12 of these screws. With the top and bottom fasteners removed, turn your attention to the wheel wells. Remove the T15 or T20 Torx screws securing the wheel liner to the bumper on each side. Now, gently but firmly pull the bumper cover outward from the fender to release the plastic clips. If your vehicle has fog lights, remember to disconnect their electrical connectors. Finally, remove the 3 or 4 7mm bolts that hold the headlight assembly. Once the headlight assembly is loose, slide it forward slightly to access the electrical connector. Locate the red or gray locking tab, slide it back, then press down on the main tab to disconnect the wiring harness. You can now carefully remove the entire headlight assembly. To reinstall, simply reverse these steps. Ensure all clips align, screws are tightened to specification, and the electrical connector is securely reattached before testing your new headlight.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.